Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where dreams become addresses and luxury meets imagination. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey inside one of California's most breathtaking estates, the $9.75 million luxury mansion located at 1385 Canada Road, Woodside. Nestled in the heart of nature, surrounded by rolling green hills, this extraordinary residence redefines what it means to live the American dream. It's private, peaceful, and designed to inspire awe from the very first glance. As our camera glides above the landscape, the property slowly unfolds, 4 acres of lush greenery, mature trees, and elegant stone architecture rising proudly at the end of a long, private lane. The home looks like it was born from the hills themselves, blending nature and craftsmanship into one perfect creation. You can feel the calm, the privacy, and the quiet confidence of true luxury. The grand entrance welcomes you with tall mahogany doors framed by natural stone pillars. Step through, and you're greeted by a stunning all-stone foyer, glowing softly under natural sunlight. Every inch of this home speaks of craftsmanship: walnut floors, custom windows, hand-carved doors, and an unmistakable warmth that only fine design can create. The space opens into a vast living room where the western hills stretch endlessly through floor-to-ceiling glass. The sound of nature seeps through, as if the outside world was painted just for this view. A towering stone fireplace anchors the room, blending modern luxury with rustic charm, while the open layout connects the living area to the heart of the home, the kitchen. This kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's for creating memories. A marble island glows under pendant lights, stainless steel appliances shimmer, and custom cabinetry surrounds you in elegance. From here, you look out into the dining area, a space framed by glass doors opening to the terrace, perfect for family dinners, holiday celebrations, or quiet evenings watching the sunset. Every detail feels intentional, balanced between functionality and artistry. Moving upstairs, the master suite is a masterpiece of serenity. Sunlight pours through wide windows overlooking the western hills, casting a soft glow across the room. The fireplace crackles, the textures are rich yet calming, and the energy is pure peace. The master bathroom is designed like a private spa: marble walls, a soaking tub with a view, a glass shower, and lighting that turns relaxation into ritual. Each of the additional bedrooms carries the same balance of comfort and design, making every corner of this home a sanctuary. On the lower level, the energy shifts from quiet luxury to vibrant entertainment. A spacious recreation area awaits, complete with a home theater, game zone, wine cellar, and a fully equipped fitness room. Whether you're hosting movie night, enjoying a glass of vintage wine, or working out in your private gym, every moment here feels elevated. 2 private offices provide a peaceful space for productivity, creativity, or simply escaping into your thoughts. Outside, the beauty of this property truly comes alive. The backyard feels endless, with a vast terrace, outdoor kitchen, and fire pit ready for golden California evenings. The spa bubbles quietly under the stars, and the manicured lawn stretches out toward the hills. You'll find a life-size chessboard, a putting green, and even a basketball court, because luxury living is also about play. The 3-car garage stands sleek and modern, topped with a rooftop vegetable garden, a touch of sustainability blended seamlessly into sophistication. As day turns to dusk, the mansion glows under the golden sunset. Lights twinkle through the windows, the pool reflects the fiery sky, and the hills cradle this home in tranquil silence. It's a scene straight from a cinematic dream, where nature, architecture, and design move together in harmony. Just 4 blocks from downtown Woodside and within the district of the acclaimed Woodside School, this property offers more than a home. It offers a lifestyle defined by space, privacy, and prestige. Built in 2011 and crafted with the finest materials, it stands today as one of Woodside's most desirable estates. This remarkable listing is proudly presented by Erika Demma of Compass Real Estate, a trusted name in California luxury. For more details, you can visit erikademma.com or compass.com and take the first step toward living your own American dream. As we close today's tour, we want to extend a heartfelt thank you to Open Homes Photography for capturing this incredible property in its best light. Their exceptional visuals bring this home to life for millions to experience. This is American Dream Mansions, where elegance meets excellence, and every home tells a story worth sharing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury tours from across the USA. Because here, every dream deserves an address.